Welcome back to my channel. So today I again come with one famous interview coding question. Okay, so you can see on my screen I have written the problem. Find the nth non-repeated word in a string. Okay, so I have taken input string. You can see she saw the cat, saw with the hat, and hat near the mat. Okay, so you can see C is the first non-repeated word in given a string, and second one is what? Non-repeated word is cat. Third one is, you can see, third one is the with non-repeated character. Similarly, you can see fifth non-repeated character is what? Near. Okay, similarly you can see sixth non-repeated character is mat. Okay, so let me jump on my STS and I will start written there. Open my STS. So let me create one more Java package. Today is date 13. Then after I will create one Java class. Find the nth non-repeated word in a given string. Okay. So I have created one Java class. Let me insert main method. Take data type of string. Take variable str. Then just paste here input a string and take one more variable int n is equal to 1. Okay. Later on I will change the value of n. Means if I need to second nth non-repeated word in given a string. Similarly, third one, fourth one. Okay, so later on I will change it and I will extract the value. So then after I will create one method. Let me copy this. Public static take return type string. Give the method name. Just change here. Close with braces and return non-empty string. Okay. Then after what we need to take two argument a string str and int n. Take map interface. What happened? Okay. Take a string as a key, value as an integer, give the variable name map, take new linked hash map. Do not take simple hash map. Why I am taking? Because it's following insertion order. Okay. Then after what we need to do? Split the white space. So just split it because we do not need white space. Close with semicolon. Give the variable name strs. Then after use for enhance loop. Okay. Take for loop data type string. Give the variable name st and give pass the string array. Then after check the key is present or not in map. So take if conditions, just check map dot contains key and st. Okay, pass the string here. Then put the value in map in the form of key pair value. Just pass take st. So what we need to do here, take entry value, take entry and take entry or default value, which is first not present in map. Okay, so take default value here, map dot get default, and pass the string. Initially element will be not present in map, so take font 1. If it will come twice or more times, just every time increment by 1. Okay, then after just else, take else and take st, and if the frequency of a string will be 1, just give the value as 1. Okay, then after check the, it will, what it will do, it will put none repeated word in map. Okay, then after check for loop, where is its ending, then iterate the map and extract the key and value using entry set. Okay, so take for loop, take map interface dot entry, pass a string, then after take integer for key, give the variable name mp, just take map dot entry set. Okay, before this take int count is equal to 0, so that it can ensure count of none repeated word. Okay, might be there possible spelling issue, just ignore it and try to understand the concept. Okay, so take int count is equal to 0, then after take here if conditions, then take empty dot get if value is equal to 1, then what we need to do, just increment the count plus 1. You can also write this count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, check, then after check if count is equal to desired nth value, then return the word. Okay, so take one more if condition, and here check count is equal to n, then return get key as a character. Okay, just close with semicolon, just format the code. Let me call this method inside the main method, take a out. Okay, and just call the method. You can see it has taken a required argument by default. So I have taken n is equal to 1. So let me check first non-repeated. First non-repeated word is what? C. Let me check second non-repeated word is cat. So on I can check third non-repeated string is what? Bib. Okay, let me check fourth one, and let me check fifth one, near. Okay, can I check sixth if it will present? Okay, mat. Can I check seventh? It will return null because it is not present. Okay, so it is giving my desired output. Can I try with Java8 Stream API? So using Java8 Stream API. Okay, so let me just copy this method. I will paste here and change the method name to close with curly braces. Just press enter. Why it is crying? It is crying for return tab, return str. Okay, then what we need to do? Use a stream API. Okay, so take arrays which comes under Java util package. Okay, fine. Then convert into series of objects or sequence of objects all given a string. Then after trim the string and split the white space. Then collect into list, use collectors and transform using collecting and then method into one form to another form. Okay, then after what we need to do, we have to group the similar object. So take collectors dot grouping by, then return an argument with function dot identity, function dot identity. Then after what we need to do, store the value into linked hash map. Okay, so use method reference and create here object of linked hash map using new keyword. Then after count the frequency of word in given string. Okay, just use counting. So I have grouped the object and returned as an argument. Then after I have counted the frequency of word. Then what we need to do, iterate the map using entry set loop. Just take a map variable and use lambda operator. Then just iterate using entry set. Then convert into series of objects and just filter the frequency. Okay, filter is the predicate, means its return type is boolean, either it will return true or false. Then take a e variable, take just entry and use the get value. If value is equal to 1, then skip the n minus 1 word. A skip is basically working on indexing, okay, like a database, okay, indexing system. uh, you know the concept of SQL, find the nth highest salary of the employee. So in that case, we are using limit clause and offset clause. So a skip is here working as a offset clause. Okay. So just a skip from here. Then after, what we need to do, find the first value. If it is present, then it will be returned. Otherwise, or else return null. Okay, then just close with semicolon and check its return type is what. So before this, I think I need to extract the key. Okay, so use map dot entry and extract the string type as a key. Okay, so it's showing something also related to here. Might be possible, use here dot operator. Okay, then check its return type is a string or not. Yes, its return type is a string, so just return the a string here. Okay, just remove from here, just format the code and let me call this method in main method. Let me run Java application. So I have taken nth value is equal to 6, so it will be result should be match.